Hi, this is Attorney Shah Parali, and we're going to discuss about another topic related to immigration today, which is the green card, the GC, as it's commonly known now in the community. Employment based or regular green card. How is it going to be affected now with the new administration? First of all, a lot of people are fearful about deportation, but the truth is that in practical terms, things are not going to be easy even for Donald Trump to proceed on deportations people inside the United States. As for the wall, it's probably going to be the biggest achievement because at the end of the day, that's probably the only thing that will really come true if the Constitution is not changed and if he cannot change the mind of the Congress. Now, many people have asked me what happened if they move to EAD, for example. I'm talking about people who are on H1B, they file for an adjustment of status and they're waiting on their dates. What happens should they go back to H1B? The truth is no, because nothing in his plan, from what I've seen, has affected the ability to legally obtain a green card. So you should not be panicking on that. Get out of your EAD. And many of the rules that are associated with the work permit, the adjustment of status, the green card to labor certification itself is not in jeopardy, unless of course there's some fraud committed. There is any kind of misrepresentation in your case. You should not be worried. You can stay on your EAD because that law has been passed in the Congress under the American 21st Century Act, etc., etc., and INA 245A, which is adjustment of status. So don't panic on this part because I know I have been making a lot of videos. Basically, I was myself not very happy. I'm still not very happy, but I think we can fight this, and hopefully we will be able to maintain the constitution in the right place, unless he's able to change the constitution. That's a different topic of discussion. But at this point in time, for those who have filed for the adjustment of status, have a good labor certification, you should not be worried about that because these laws were not passed under executive order. Those were or executive actions. These were genuine laws that was passed. Well, all of them are genuine laws, but they were genuinely passed by Congress, etc. So you should not be worried about that. However, the worry that many people are having, what happens to the visa built in? Well, it can cut both ways. Number one, it might just slow down because he wants to actually not give green cards to many people. But on the other hand, because he said he's going to favor legal immigration, there is a big chance that he can come back and actually speed up many of those cases for people who deserve to get the green card to get it on time. But that's really kind of a dream, but it might happen. We never know. So I'm making those videos on each topic related to the. It's kind of a series now almost on the effect, the Trump effect, as I call it, on immigration. But at the end of the day, nobody knows. So I cannot really give you a for certain 100% assurance he's not going to be able to change the system. He's definitely going to change the system, but how? And I don't think his focus is really on those kind of for people who are filing for their green card because those are issues he doesn't want to tackle. But there is a catch. The catch are for those who have some kind of criminal background. That means you have been arrested or things like that. Because many of the people that Trump are mentioning in his message of 2 million to deport, you'll be surprised. 60% of them are green card holders. They are not undocumented. It's only like 800,000 which are who are undocumented. The rest are green card holders. And if you're a green card holder, you commit certain crimes, you might be inadmissible or what we call removable, and that means you're placed in deportation. These are the ones that we have to watch out. So if you have some kind of criminal background, you better talk to an attorney. Well, right now it's too early because there's nothing he will be able to or she will be able to do, but you need to be ready for some kind of fight on this. So having said that, bottom line, my message is for those who file a green card, basically, especially in the employment-based green card, If you are an EAD, continue staying on your EAD. You don't have to shift to H1. If you want to go back to H1, you can still do it, but you're safer probably on the EAD. So stick to that. And as long as you're moving to a same or similar position, 180 days has passed, you should be safe, because I know AC21 has been here for years, even before Obama was there, so it's not something new. Now, for those who have a criminal background, for example, issues with DUI, etc., be careful. I have some videos on those, so you need to check on those too. And then now let us talk about family petitions. Family petitions, green card will probably stay the same. I don't think he's going to remove those. This is not his area of focus. He's going to be so busy with other stuff unless he suddenly has a massive group to work on his stuff. Um, Now, more and more, when I look at it, there was a time of panic, there was a time of despair, but I think many of those cases we can fight. We can actually make it better for the immigrants who are here. I cannot promise for people who are coming from outside, because those will be blocked for a while. But ultimately, if we do things good for immigrants here, the dynamic will change. Right now, there's a lot of fear, a lot of racism, a lot of hate all over the place on both sides, by the way. So don't get yourself entangled into that. You need to focus on what is law and what is solid law. And as this is a message specific for employment based or green card holders. So I wish you all the best. If you need help on any of your cases, please give us a call at 510-742-5887, or you can visit our website attorneyonair.com. Thank you.